Hey everyone, today is Wednesday, December 9th. Today you are going to keep working on your Teen Issues Campaign project. Remember, you need a position paragraph, a counter argument paragraph, and a visual. If you need to look at the direction sheet or the rubric, it's here. I strongly suggest looking at the rubric if you haven't, just to make sure that you are hitting everything that you need. If you need comma integration notes or colon integration notes, they're over here on the side. One quick reminder, remember that all MLA rules apply to this writing. So it should be Times New Roman, size 12, double space, and the top left you should have your name, my name, class name, due date, and in the top right corner of every page you should have your last name and page number. So don't forget all of those little things as well. If you have questions, let me know. Please make sure that you are having somebody else read your paper or read your paragraphs to make sure that they make sense. We're not doing an official peer editing round for this, so make sure that you are searching someone else out on your own to read through your paragraphs and make sure they make sense. Have a great day and let me know what questions you have.